Reese. Hi, Reese. Say I'm sitting up all by myself. What do you have there?
Oh. Baby.
Hi. Hi, cute boy. You have Brother's mask and his Halloween candy, huh? What are you going to do with that candy? Reese, good morning. Reese. Reese. I'm a little frog and my daddy loves me. I'm a big frog and my mama loves me. And when they tuck me in to say goodnight. You're not going to smile at your song? Good morning. Good morning, little man. Oh, yeah. Reese. Reese. What do you think of that mask? What do you think? You have a large black mask. Can you wear it? Huh? Can you wear it? Oh, good job sitting back up. See, you're almost 6 months old. Last few days of being a 5-month-old. And you can sit up really well. You like the noise of candy wrappers. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, thank you. What else can you find? Oh, maybe you'll try those, huh? No, thank you. Say Happy Halloween. Bye-bye, Reese. Bye-bye, Reese. Can you tell the camera bye? Say you're too busy taking Brother's candy. Bye-bye, Reese. Bye-bye, Reese. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Did you find it? Okay. Don't eat Darth Vader.
Okay.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, bye-bye, little 5-month-old. You're so cute.